Hey everyone, it's me, Mama Hen with Picknandascratchn. So I just have a small $20 session here today. I found these new tickets. So how is everybody doing today? I'm going to try to play these for you and find some great big winners. I have tickets numbers 46 through 55. So let's get scratching. Let's see what we can find, but let's take a look at this ticket first, since this is the first time that I have played the new ones. I'm sure they're identical to the old ones. They've just revised them. Same thing. You can get an entry here or a 5 or 10x multiplier, and you got to match your numbers to the winning numbers. Same odds and everything. Overall odds are 1 and 4.19. 1,000 and 10,000 are the top prizes on a $2 ticket. So let's go, Pretty Petunia. See if you can scratch us up a $10,000 winner on this ticket. So this is Pretty Petunia. If you would like to adopt her and get one of your very own hens for your scratching enjoyment, you can send me a $28 channel donation and send me an email. You could send that to me via Cash App, Venmo, or PayPal, and send me an email with where you want her shipped, and I will get her sent out to you. On the back, it has a little nest here with a golden egg. Ticket number 12 was where I found a win-all $1,000 claimer on the Billions tickets. And she says, picking golden eggs and scratching up jackpots. So those are little golden eggs. And then it has my channel name there, Picknandascratchn on YouTube. So I'm going to use Pretty Petunia here, and we are going to try to find us that $10,000 claimer. We need to pay off the hen house. So come on, ticket. Oh, let's scratch the bonus first, because if it is an entry, then we don't need to scratch anything else. So I hope everybody is doing well. If you are new to my channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And hit that bell notification button, and YouTube will notify you every time I upload a new video or I go live. And that one looks like rotten eggs. So like I said, I got 10 of these tickets. This is just a small $20 session here. I saw these at the store there and wanted to try them. All right, 5X. 27 and 11. Come on, Pretty Petunia. Scratch us up a golden egg. Find us that $10,000 winner. 27 and 11. Nope, that one is rotten eggs. All right, moving on. Ticket number 48. Ooh, 10x, 10 times the money. Numbers 27 and 26. Come on, Petunia. 27 and 26. Can we find 27 and 26? Nope. Rotten eggs. 3 rotten eggs in a row. All right. Ticket number 49. Come on. Let's go. 5X. All right. That's a nice multiplier. 21 and 30. 21 and 30. Come on, ticket. 21 and 30. No, 4 rotten eggs in a row. All right, moving on to ticket number 50. 18 and 25. All right, there we go. 18 and 25. All right, 2 number 18s and a number 25. Come on, 18. Be nice to me. Oh, there we go. 3 18s and 1 25. What are we going to find? $1, $2, $3, and $4. Is $4 a winner? I believe so. Yes, it is. All right, we got $4 back so far out of 20. We'll take it. Ticket number 51. Come on, let's go back to back, Petunia. 8 and 17. Ooh, 5x multiplier. 8 and 17. No, rotten eggs. We did not go back to back. All right. Moving on to ticket number 52. Let's see what we can find. Ooh, a 10x multiplier. Our winning numbers are 6 and 19. 6 and 19. Nope, that one was rotten eggs too. All right, 53, moving on. 1x multiplier, 26 and 28. $26 and 28. Can we scratch it up? No, rotten eggs. All right, ticket number 54. Give us something great. 24 and 26. All right, we got us to 26. Woohoo! Another 26. And a 24. And another 26. And another 26. All right, ticket. What's it going to give us? $2, $4, $6, $8, and $10. All right, nice little $10 winner on a $2 ticket. Can we go back to back with our last ticket? We have 14 back so far out of 20, and this is ticket number 55. Come on. Pretty Petunia, scratch us up a back-to-back winner with a 5x multiplier. 15 and 21. No, rotten eggs. Wow, that stunk. What a way to end it. That's all right. We will take what we got back, and I am thankful for it. We got back $14 back out of that little $20 session. So we will take that and roll that on to another set of tickets, and hopefully we can find a jackpot on our next session. So thanks for joining me. Take care, everyone. Have a great day, and please contact me. See my, I had my information written on a piece of paper, and I forgot to get it before I started this video. My information is in the About Me section on my YouTube channel. You can find my email there, and my Venmo, my Cash App, and my PayPal. It's all Picknandascratchn at gmail.com. So take care, have a great day, and I hope you guys are scratching up winners. And I will catch you all on the next one. Thanks. Bye.